What's the cost of doing CFA in 2025? Now, if you're a CFA aspirant who books an exam in 2025 for any exam which is to appear in Feb 26 or thereafter, there is a new pricing structure from the CFA Institute that you need to know about. Now, firstly, there is no enrollment fee, okay, which is zero. And you typically just pay for your level 1, level 2 and level 3 exam fee depending on the level that you're appearing for. Now, as all of you all know, in CFA, there are two entry points. There is early bird and then there is standard deadline. And in most cases, you will land up booking your exam in the early bird because that's where you save money. So let's say if you book your exam in the early bird for level 1 and 2 and 3, as you can see on your screens, these are the kind of prices that you pay. So typically you pay $1140 for an early exam in level 1, likewise $1140 for an early exam in level 2 and $1240 for an exam in level 3. That's it. Yehi teen transactions aapko karna hai with the CFA Institute. Now if you add this up, this is a total of about $3520. Let's assume a dollar fluctuates between 82, 83, 84 rupees. In Indian rupees, that's about 2,90,000 to 3 lakh of rupees. So this is the investment with the CFA Institute that you need to make over a span of 2 to 3 years, depending on how you're appearing for 3-level exams. Now let's get to the coaching part. Now first things first, before I tell you what it takes to coach yourself, it's very important to know top 2-3 reasons why coaching is important. So I'll give you 2-3 data points, okay? Number one, any global professional exam that you take, it's very important to understand the examiner's expectation. See, content होता है एक चीज, but assessment होता है दूसरी चीज. और assessment styles कोई भी professional exam हो, CFA हो या whatever, is very different from Indian exams. तो पहले आपको examiner's expectation समझना है और उसके लिए आपको एक mentor और coach की जरूरत होती है. Number 2, most content in the CFA curriculum बहुत ज़्यादा real time और application based है, ठीक है? So एक है textbooks and दूसरा है reality. And you really need an industry coach who's actually done CFA, who's able to tell you what really happens real time, right? नहीं तो आप exam कर ही नहीं पाओगे because the questions in the exam are very, very application based. So that's where a coach is needed. And third, I'm sure you know that the CFA exams are fairly expensive. I mean, every exam you're paying almost $1140, which is like, 90,000 lakh of rupees. So it's a lot of money to invest. So obviously, when you pay that kind of money, you want to clear the exam. If you don't clear it, paying another lakh of rupees plus spending time can be very, very, very painful. And that is where I feel a mentor or a coach can minimize the trial and error. ठीक है? So that's the whole objective. Now coaching के लिए typically across the 3 levels मैंने देखा है कि general investment 1.5 से 2 लाख के बीच में होता है, तीनों levels मिला के. तो अब आप ये दोनों चीज़ों को ऐड कर दो. About 3 odd lakhs you've paid the CFA Institute in terms of exam fees. You've paid about 1.5 to 2 lakhs across 3 levels to your coach. So सब मिला मिलो के 4.5 से 5 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट है, बट एक बार में नहीं देना है. It's spread over the 3 years that you're doing the CFA program. ठीक है? I hope that this information helps. If you are somebody who wants to begin your CFA journey, you want to minimize those trial and errors, you want to understand those examiners' expectations, and you want to ensure that come what way, you're going to clear the exam in the first attempt, we are here to help. We can design an end-to-end learning journey for you, which is customized and curated to your abilities and your strengths, okay? And we can actually take you through the entire program with a very real-time experience of how things work in reality. Please call us on the numbers flashing, book a one-on-one appointment, and let's begin your journey today.